Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of University of Pisa. This university offers two fully funded scholarships. One is regional scholarship and other is merit-based scholarship. You just have to apply for the admission in university. There is no need to apply for the scholarship separately because university automatically selects you for the scholarship if you are eligible either for regional scholarship or merit-based scholarship. So you just have to apply for admission in university, and almost 99% students are selected by the university for regional scholarship. Now let's start the application process. First of all, go to the official website. I will provide the link in the description, so you can get the link in the description. So a page like this will open. So you have to register yourself first. You have to click on this registration procedure. So after entering your personal details, you will get registered. I have already made an account, so I will enter my password and email to login. So I will click on login button. After logging in, a page like this will open. Here you have not applied to any degree program. In order to apply, please access to list of open calls for application. So to apply, click on the list of open calls for applications. After clicking on that link, you have the page of list of courses and programs. So you can choose your program according to your need. There are following fields like engineering, mathematical, physical, natural sciences, social sciences. So you can apply according to your program. So now, for example, if I choose master's degree in artificial intelligence and data engineering, here is the link. You can see the details about this artificial intelligence and data engineering. You can see eligibility criteria, age limit, education, etc. So you can see the following details here and you can save from here. Now if I have to apply, click on here to apply. A page like this will open. Click on proceed button. So here are some sections. You have to fill all of them. First is qualifications, next is payment fee, and the other is application requirements, and then summary of your application. You have to fill them accurately according to your information. So first is your previous qualification. Enter the details of your previous qualification here. So first one is type of degree. If you are applying for master's degree, then your previous degree is bachelor's degree. Then choose bachelor degree, name of degree program. So for example, I have done bachelor's degree in computer science. So next is duration of degree program in years. Like in Pakistan, there is 4 years bachelor's degree program. Then degree obtained. If you have obtained your degree, then click on yes. But if you are in 7th or 8th semester and you don't have degree yet, so then click on no. Then your CGPA. Enter your CGPA and then maximum value of CGPA. And the next institution country where degree was obtained. I am from Pakistan, so I am choosing Pakistan. Next is select the institution. If you do not find your institution, please select other university. So in this way, select your institution and then official transcript of exams. You have to attach the transcript file here. Then enter estimated date of degree and then number of years to graduation. Then save your data and then click on proceed button. So next is payment fee. The submission of application for master's program is allowed only after the payment. So I have read and agree to proceed with submission. Then click on proceed. So next is application requirements. Here are some attachments. First is identification documents. Either it is ID card or passport. So attach on the file of ID card or passport, then your CV. Add the file of your CV. And then knowledge of English certificates. So there is no need of IELTS or TOEFL or any English language test. Just upload the English certificate or English proficiency letter. Then you can add additional notes here. And next, text format for CV. Enter the text format of CV and then click on save. And then click on proceed button. Next is information subject area. Here you have to provide the details of the major subjects in your previous education. So first one is computer science. Enter the number of credits and then average grade for exams. Then electronics, telecommunication, automation subject. Enter the number of credits and then average grade. Then mathematics. Similarly, then physics. Enter the details of them. Okay, so now click on save and proceed. So this is the last step of your application, that is summary of your application. You can see the details here. Your degree type, application status is saved in draft until you pay your fee. Academic year 2026 to 2027, then degree program artificial intelligence, date of submission, and then your qualifications. You can see the details of your qualification, list of uploaded attachments, and then information of subject areas, and the next application details. So now click on proceed button. So now here is the status of your application. Your application can still be modified and has not yet been sent for evaluation. So when you pay your fee, then you will be able to submit your final application. Now scroll down and here is the link to the payment form. Click on this link, but before ensure that you have uploaded all the required documents here. So after uploading them, click on this link to the payment form. So after opening the link, a page like this will open. Here you have to enter the detail, your personal detail, your name, country, address, email, etc. And then scroll down. There will be the option of start online payment. Click on this option, start online payment. After clicking on start online payment, you have to enter your email, then repeat again and then click on continue. After that, here is the payment method. Choose your desired payment method, either debit or credit card, ATM pay, etc. So you can choose your payment method. You can choose your debit card for the payment. So after payment, you can upload the payment slip. You can print payment slip here. So once you are done with the payment, you will be able to submit your final application and then you can click on final submission. So in this way, you can apply in this university. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.